Assalamu alaikum everybody. So today my topic is tension. You can know that what is tension, what is physical meaning of tension. It is little bit different from ordinary tension that we are taking regarding our exams, our studies, our daily life schedule. So it is bit different. The pulling force exerted by a stretch rope, a string, cable or the cord on an object to which it is attached is known as tension force. So what is tension? Tension is actually a force. Which kind of force it is, why it is studied in physics, why it's important. So all these things are very important to note. Actually, for example, if we hang a mass with the help of a rope, for example, this is a mass having weight W equals mg is directed in downward direction. So this is a force which is actually, in terms of Newton's third law of motion, this is action. This is action. And there must be a reactional force against this force. And you already know that the force which is exerted in equal magnitude but opposite in direction to the other force is known as action-reaction law. It is Newton's third law of motion. So what do you expect that, what kind of that reactional force or what kind of reaction which is in this diagram or which is in this figure? The reaction is in upward direction within that string, or maybe it is a spring, or maybe it is a cord, maybe it is a rope, anything with the help of which a mass is suspended here. So the force which is acting in upward direction against the weight, this is known as tension, and it is a force. It is represented by capital T, and this T has a unit Newton, because every force, whether the force is weight, whether the force is frictional force, whether the force is simple normal reactional force, whether the force is applied force, all the forces have the same unit, which is Newton. So this tension is now introduced here today. It is also a force whose unit is also Newton. So the unit of tension is Newton. I am repeating this concept again. For example, if there is a rope, string, spring, cord or anything with which a mass is suspended, the weight of that object is directed downward direction, and this is action, and the reactional force is the stretched force. The reactional force is stretched force exerted along this rope, cable or cord or anything. So this reactional force is known as tension force, tension or tension force, and it is represented by capital T, and its unit is Newton, and it is represented by this N. From here we can say that from your book, if this is a rope and mass is suspended here, this arrowhead shows its weight which is directed downward, and this blue arrowhead will show the force which is tension, and this force is along the cord.